Hi, I'm Annika Sekri, and I'm the Product Marketing Manager at FOREO. FOREO is a health and beauty company focused on enhancing physical, mental, and social well-being in any and every way possible through offering non-invasive and healthy improvements that are quick, simple, and easy to implement into your current lifestyle. We are probably most well known for pioneering smart beauty tech devices. In case you're unfamiliar with the term, beauty tech refers to using innovative technology to create personalized devices that evolve to cater to each individual user's unique skincare needs and desires. Because when it comes to beauty and health overall, we know that one size does not fit all. UFO is a 5-in-1 device that gives you a supercharged, hydrating and rejuvenating full facial treatment in just 2 minutes. The reason why it's 5-in-1 is because it has 5 different spa facials. So the first is Thermo-therapy, which is a heated facial. We also have Cryo-therapy, which is a cooling facial, LED light therapy facial, a mask facial, and a T-sonic facial massage. So usually when you apply your skincare, for example, a sheet mask to your face, the ingredients are staying on the surface of your skin, and so the results are very temporary. Also, our dead skin cells actually hoard moisture, and we're losing our dead skin cells at a rate of about 40,000 per day. So that means all of that expensive skincare that you applied to your skin is also being lost. The benefit of UFO is that it helps to push all the active ingredients from your skincare deep into your skin, so the results last much longer, while also depuffing and rejuvenating the face and neck. The heating and massage help to temporarily dilate pores. Dilated pores mean that all those active ingredients in your skincare can penetrate through the surface of your skin without clogging the pores, compared to just having those ingredients sit on the surface of your skin for a few minutes before they're sweat, shed, or rubbed off. Cooling helps to depuff the face by tightening the skin. Also, the sudden flow of oxygen in your blood from it going from regular skin temperature to 5 degrees and back to your regular skin temperature helps to give it a really nice, healthy glow while also looking youthfully plump. And of course, applying anything cold to your face helps it to look refreshed and calm and soothe your skin as well. LED light therapy helps to stimulate the natural activity in your cells. So for example, red LED light therapy helps to stimulate collagen, which helps smooth any fine lines and wrinkles on your face. Blue LED light helps target oil glands on your skin, so it helps to reduce breakouts, blemishes, or even any scarring that might appear on your skin. Green LED light basically targets hyperpigmentation in your skin by targeting the cells that produce melanin. So it's really good for evening your skin tone. UFO devices actually have a full spectrum of LED lights, all with their own skin benefits. FOREO has a ton of masks that you can use with your UFO device, each with their own skin benefits. So for example, here we have Call It a Night, which is revitalizing and nourishing. We also have a Glow Addict, which is brightening. And over here we have green tea, which is purifying. And there are a ton more masks for you to choose from as well. We also have our dual mode sheet masks, which can be used by themselves for 20 minutes, or you can supercharge them with your UFO device for a quick 2-minute spa facial. So on the top of your device, you'll see that there's a universal button. It's called the universal button because it literally does everything. So you will use this button to turn your device on and off. You'll use it to connect to the app, and you can also use it to select your different treatments. Here on the back, you'll see that we have the attachment ring. So once you apply your mask, you would just use the attachment ring to secure it back in place. And here we have this metal plate which will be heating and cooling. So this is the side of UFO that you would apply to your face, and the LED lights would come on around the outside. And here on the bottom you can see we have the charging port. Your UFO device comes with a USB charging cable, and it will last up to 40 uses per charge. So you don't have to worry about constantly recharging it. So the very first time you use your device, you'll need to unlock it by connecting it to the app. This is just to verify that it's a real FOREO product and not a fake. And once you've unlocked it, you'll then be able to use the device manually without the app if you'd prefer, although there are a couple of benefits of using it to the app, which I will explain in just a second. So the first thing that you need to do would be to basically go to your phone and turn on Bluetooth. You just go to settings, you find Bluetooth, and then you just make sure that it's turned on. And then you need to download the FOREO app. It will basically look like this. And then once it's downloaded, you just need to go into it like this. And you'll see here at the top that we can add device. So we're just going to click on that plus sign. In this case, we're adding a UFO device. So I'm just going to click UFO. And you can see the instructions tell us to press and hold the universal button for 5 seconds. So as you can see, the device will start flashing. This means that it's connecting via Bluetooth. And then here you can see we just need to fill out our warranty information. So for example, the first thing it asks you is, where did you get this device? There are a few different options that you can choose from, and then you can select the purchase date. And finally, you just need to upload proof of purchase. So I would recommend that you take a picture of your receipt just so you have a record of it somewhere. And finally, we just need to click register. So you'll see in just a moment that it will tell us our UFO 2 has now been registered and activated. So one of our biggest benefits of the app is that it has pre-programmed treatment routines. So if you just click on UFO 2 at the top here, the device that we just added, you can see that there's a tab for treatments. So if we just click on that, and then here you can see we have a list of all of our masks at the bottom that we can just scroll through. Personally, my favorite is Bulgarian Rose, so we're going to use this one. And then if we just click start, you can see we just need to follow the instructions in the app. So the first thing it's telling us to do is to secure our UFO activated mask to the device. So I'm just going to take one out of here. We'll just open up this sachet. And then we're going to take the mask out. You can see there's like a lot of essence on here, so it's really good if you ever want to repeat your treatment. We'll take the attachment ring off the back of UFO. Just place this on top like that. Make sure you get all of that juicy essence into your hands as well. And then we're just going to clip our attachment ring back on. So just make sure that the FOREO logo is facing you so it's clipped on the right way. And then we can click start to start our treatment. So you can see to start off with, we have red LED light, and then to the touch, it's really warming up because of the thermotherapy. And as you can see, the lady on the on my phone, is just gently gliding this device around her face in slow circular motions. Make sure you really enjoy this treatment. It's a nice spa treatment. It's supposed to be very relaxing. That heat will really help you do that while it's dilating your pores. So all of your mask essence can really go deep into your skin. You can see now we have the second step of our treatment. So now it's switched to green LED light, which is really good for a healthy, radiant glow. And it's actually starting to cool to the touch too. So now cryotherapy has been activated. You can also see that we've got our T-sonic massage right now. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but that's again really going to help those the mask essence go deep into your skin. And it's also really good for relaxing any muscle tension points that you might have. And you can see that we're coming to the end of the treatment now. So our LED light has turned off, and we're just going to finish off with a nice little massage in this routine. If you want to repeat it, which I usually do, one of the things that I love to do is actually squeeze a little bit more of the essence from the sachet onto the top of the mask. And it will just kind of refresh it for you. And then you can click repeat treatment and just once again, keep going. You can do this as many times as you want to. And one of the best things about this device is that you can clean it really easily. So you just need to run it under the sink with some warm water, maybe a little bit of soap, and that's it. You can just leave it to air dry, or you can use a lint-free cloth or towel just to wipe it off. So if, like me, you prefer to personalize your treatment according to your skin concerns that day, you can do so by using this smart control function at the bottom. It works like a kind of remote control for you, so you can adjust your device in real time. So if we just click on smart control here, you can see there's so many different color options to choose from, so you can just pick the one that you prefer. And then you can also choose the temperature of your customized treatment. So you can choose heat if you want thermotherapy, you can choose cool if you prefer cryotherapy, or if you don't really want any of those, you can just turn it off as well. So as mentioned, it is possible for you to also use your UFO device without the app, which some people prefer. So in this case, you just need to save your preferences on the app one time, and then they will automatically save to your device for the next times that you want to use it. So for example, we can go to settings here, and you can see that you're able to add your favorite masks to the device that you'll then be able to access manually next time. So you can see here, we already have Make My Day and Call It a Night, which are our standard masks. So they are already included on your device when you get it. The third slot we will come back to in just a second. And in the fourth slot, you can see there's a little plus sign. So we're going to click on that. And then you can see you can add any of our masks that you like, whether it's a UFO power activated mask or a sheet mask. So for example, if I wanted to add our green tea mask, I would just click on that. And then you can see here on the fourth slot, we now have green tea. If I wanted to add another one, I once again just press the plus button. Say this time I wanted to add our H2 overdose mask, I would just click on that. And now that has saved to the next slot. And you can just keep going like that all the way around to save your favorite masks to your device. You can see here on the third slot, we have this little settings icon. So we're just going to click on that for a second. And basically this third slot allows you to set your own customized treatment to the device as well. So here you can see it gives you the option of setting your treatment for 90 seconds, 120 seconds, 150 or 180. Personally, I prefer to get the most out of my treatment, so I'm going to keep it here on 180 seconds. Then you can choose your preferred UFO light. So I'm going to go with red just for the anti-aging benefits. And you can see here that we can set our temperature as well, heating, cooling, or if you prefer not to have either, you can set it as off. And then you just click Save Changes, and we can go back. And now the third slot has been saved with your customized treatment. So for example, if we now turn off the app completely, so if we just turn on our device again, you can see we've got the first slot, second slot, third slot, fourth slot, and fifth slot. If you guys remember, the first one was Make My Day mask. We have Call It a Night. This is our customized treatment routine. Our fourth one, I think we added green tea. Yep, it's the green tea one. And that's all you need to do. You just need to click your universal button, and each time it will take you to the next treatment. And it's as simple as that. I hope you found this video helpful and that you enjoy your 2-minute supercharged facial with UFO.